Hey Jacob, do you like a new name?
Hmm?
Do you like a new name?
Yes, it's great.
Okay. All right. Guess we'll just go ahead and get started. So,
Yeah.
all right. Thanks to our sponsors, GPS, AXAXL, Earth Engineering, and Vision Metals. All right, Jacob. Chair.
Okay. I'll show it on the screen. Why not? Okay. Time for some more CAD. So, oh my god, why is everything moved? Wait, what was I trying to open? Hold on. Oh, I see. I'm just, okay. That looks very nice. So like I went back to the sketch because like I realized in terms of mounting everything that like certain parts would have to like kind of be in different spots. So I like went back. I'll show the sketch. What is this? But I went back and I like edited a few things to like make sure everything will fit. Mounting external ring E style.
What is
I
that?
like,
Oh, that's that thing that, remember you, I think you put that in the folder a few days ago. I don't think it's in that one. Go back. It's in the, pretty sure it's in the full one, the intake, yeah.
which one?
And then, yeah, it's in this folder
This
that you're
one?
in right now. No, like the
Oh.
main CAD class. And then, like, you can just do like the preview, you know, if you just like click on one.
Oh, but like, what is it? Wait, what
Look
am I
through.
looking for
I don't
though?
know. It's just been in the folder the whole time. I don't really know how it got there. But I remember seeing, oh, there it is.
Is it
Yeah.
this? Oh.
Yeah.
Why could I not find it? Oh, that was weird.
I don't know. I don't even remember putting that in the folder.
I don't either.
Oh. Tristan is hacking our.
Yeah, I mean, like, I think I remember like seeing it there, but like, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. That's weird.
Oh yeah, I remember like, what did we decide on for this? What was going on with the wheel? Oh, was our computer's being really slow. Okay.
Yeah, my computer started dying. You can
I'm
probably hear it
gonna,
though.
yeah, I'll try to constrain this. Well, oh gosh, I could, like probably charge around here. That would help. But okay. Oh wait, I have to like show it, don't I? Where do I like show the plan? Oh, it's that. Oh yeah, I see it. Okay.
Yeah,
It's
it's really
here.
tiny.
Okay. Oh yeah. Amazing.
Dang.
No. Why is it like not looking that? Oh, there are already constraints on it.
I think that, no, there aren't. Oh, this wheel is so annoying.
Here, I'm gonna try something. Okay. I'm gonna wait. Maybe if I just like. Yeah, sure. That'll work. It's not like actually like it's merging with it, but like it
Yeah,
works.
whatever.
Okay. And so
Oh
I'm
yeah,
gonna
were we
go.
gonna put two wheels there?
I don't know, we can put like 3. I think like the video that you
Oh
showed,
yeah, the video is 3.
that's
And the
3.
green one too.
Do you have the green one already?
I don't think so. It's on same place we downloaded the other one.
Yeah.
Just Andy Mark, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. Very nice. This one, 2. Wow. It might like not actually be like green. Like if we want, we might have to just like color it green because it could be
Yeah.
the same file for both.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I mean, AnyMark probably is.
Mm. Yeah. Also, like, just so people know, I'm probably not gonna like say pause here and do this. I'll probably just like
Oh,
say
yeah.
what I'm gonna do, and then you guys can try to do it, and then like watch. Yeah, you get it. Yeah, it's okay. It's not great. Okay, I'm just gonna put 3 of these wheels there instead because I don't have like separate green ones actually. Here, okay, I'll do it this way. So I'm gonna go ahead and save this as. Wait, trying to think about this. Okay, right, and then so I can just leave that. And now I have to open this one again because now this is the one that's not gray, and I'm just gonna color it with appearance stuff. Can I like just select? I can. I know I can select faces. I'm just gonna try to color the whole thing. That's very nice. Jonathan, do you remember how to just like select certain faces and like not the whole thing?
Yeah, if you, wait, yeah, it's not that. Click on the, oh, well, you can do it in a regular, like something that you make, but since this is only one part,
Yeah.
I don't know, because each one of those is not really, did you, yeah, I don't know.
Oh, yeah, 'cause I think like
Well,
this body counts as one part,
yeah,
so I
so
may
you
not be able to
can't,
do it.
mhm.
Okay. I guess
I
I'm
mean,
just
you
not
could just
gonna
color the
bother.
whole thing green, so, so you're,
That's okay. I'm just gonna, yeah, okay, I'm just gonna leave it, and then like
I mean,
we
well,
can also make that decision later. Yeah.
yeah.
Actually, I'm gonna do the same thing as I did before. And so for what I'm doing is like instead of having because it was being weird when I was trying to click like on the actual hex faces like Jonathan did for all the mechanism wheels, I'm just going to click on this circle and then on the circle inside here. And that basically it's kind of merged, but it basically just constrains the middle of the circle I clicked on and the middle of that inside too. And so I'm just gonna like move it out. Oh gosh, it's doing weird things. But once I constrain this face, it'll be okay. Okay. Also, there I was just copying and pasting because copy and paste, everything's easy. Oh, okay, that's right. Very nice. Now I have 3 wheels in the middle. Obviously, for this is also just like a CAD file that can be very easily edited. And like, let's say later we decided, oh, we want more mechanism wheels or whatever we need. So like, obviously later we can just change it and it's not a big deal. But this is just to show the general design. Okay. I'm gonna bring back up the sketch and show you guys and kind of explain what I did. Oh no. Oh, I didn't save it here. That sounds so lame. I'm gonna save this. That's oh I don't know why I didn't save in the right spot. Maybe it's like still in this folder. Yeah, it is. Okay. Oh, I also have to like bring up the parts. Okay. So for this, I changed. So instead of it used to be 10.5 to 15.5, but I changed that to 11 to 16. And so basically on the side, I did like math because the pieces that I'm going to have to use for the pivot mounts are going to be these two pieces. I think this is one of them. Yeah, so this piece. And so this screws onto the end of the piston, and then this is the actual pivot point, so to speak, from where you would actually have to like mount it. And so because this piece is kind of like, you can see the drawings here, it's like extending it a little bit, and it does that by like about 1/2 inch. So instead of 10.5 to 15.5, it has to be 11 to 16. So I added some things. And then here, and then these hexagons are like, I can just take that out if you want, but it was like, I just put them there to represent like, this is where it's not like a static point. There has to be some kind of joint so that it can change the angle, so to speak. It's basically just like a pivot point. So here, touching the ball still, and then I can change this to 11 and put it back. Also, interesting thing is that I'm not actually like in the edit sketch mode, which I found out is that you can still change dimensions when you're not in the edit sketch mode, as long as it's not like creating a part yet. So like with these sketches, I can still change this dimension without actually editing the sketch. And so this line represents, so like this is a piece of VersaFrame, and so this is a bracket that's gonna have to come off for the shoulder bolt to fit through. This I just like, you know, the same offset up here. And then down here, I had to move this pivot point down a little bit so that it was actually like in the plane of the VersaFrame and like a possible hole that I could make through it. And this extension is just so that there's like extra VersaFrame, so that there's like actually space to make a hole. And Jonathan explained in the last video that like if you just made a hole in the end, then you know it wouldn't actually like, be attached. You have to have material like farther than the actual pivot point. So yeah, and same thing here. I didn't represent it, but this VersaFrame piece will have to be longer than 5 inches so that there can be a hole at 5 inches. That'll probably just be like 5.5, but yeah, okay. So, and then I think for this piston, what you would do to like actuate it is, I think John separated the piece last time. I can try to find that.
Yeah, I realized that, speaking of the piston, that it'd be better if you assembled it in the actual like intake assembly file so that you could animate the whole thing in the assembly file. Like you wouldn't have to open that piston and then move it, which would move the assembly. Yeah, so
yeah,
it's already separated into 2 files, so you can, yeah, just have to like constrain it together.
Yeah. Okay. Actuating portion, very nice. So this because I think this is gonna like merge weirdly, I'm going to go ahead and open this and like delete this end.
Yeah.
Just cut it off. What?
I already made one with the everything except for that one you're about to cut off.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, like I'm pretty sure you can just like place it.
Mm-hmm. Is it? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. No.
Okay. This. I don't. Okay, this is the right way. Yeah. So
Yeah.
it's kind of hard to tell from looking at it, but most of it, from all the pistons that I've seen, the longer screw end is always like the end that doesn't have the throw of the piston. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna leave this. So to constrain this, I'm first just going to constrain it with the tubes itself, and because I know that it's 10.5 to 11.5, no, 10.5 to 15.5 for the actual piston, I can just constrain, yeah. So I think this should work. It looks super dumb at first. Actually, I'm not gonna do it first. I'm gonna do it last time. I'll click this face for now, but I'm gonna go ahead, put the max in min to 10.5. 15.5. I might have to make those negative depending on the direction or what. Maybe it just doesn't even show it. That's kind of weird. Okay, yeah, there we go. And then I'm just gonna go to the part, edit it, and make it negative. You can also, oh, what? Oh, because math. Okay. That makes sense. There we go. Yeah. So I'd have to like make the maximum negative 10.5 and the minimum negative 15.5 because negatives are the opposite. And yeah, there we go. Piston is moving just how we want it to. So now I'm gonna go to my master card. You can find this part. There is the name of it, but I'll just go to this first. If you just go to pistons, round body air cylinders, double acting round body, and actually, no, I messed it up. I think I just look at piston mounts. If you look at piston mounts, it doesn't show it, but if you look in the round body air cylinders, and then the kind that we want, which is double acting. Yeah, okay, there we go. Yeah, if you scroll down, then they're all there. All these different mounts that McMaster has that go with all their pistons. So we need both the ends of pivot, so I'm going to use these two right now. Our bore is 1.5. We can go, and the bore is just this dimension, which is okay. It's a little bit more, but it's a 1.5 throw. It's a 1.5 bore piston. But yeah, and then I already looked at the dimensions. Yeah, I selected this one. I think I couldn't find a difference between them because they're. Oh yeah, it's a piston bore. Yeah.
Isn't the piston bore the size thread of the piece? I thought the bore was like the actual piston actuating part.
I don't think so. I'm pretty sure the bore is what's it called? Because like here,
diameter.
I go to this is kind of in the way.
I think it's like duplicate or something.
Yeah, forget a master car. Oh my god. If I go to pistons and then bore size, it's not showing a picture, which is annoying.
Yeah, I mean, I think if you just go to like a drawing.
It calls it outer diameter there. So bore size. Okay, it says bore size half outer diameter. Wait, that's kind of weird. I'm looking. I feel like
just like click on one of them and then look at the drawing. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So, oh, that's really weird looking. Dang, I don't think it says in the drawing.
Oh, there it is. Bottom.
Where?
Go on the bottom. It's on the right. 7/16 right there. Yeah, it's I think it's the
that's
diameter of the threaded part.
Yeah, oh, maybe. That would make sense. But why does it say that's like a... What? I am confused.
Yeah, so the bore is 0.437.
But if we go to like the piston that we found, I don't know where it is. Maybe, yeah. Then it's like, oh, this piston, if it loads, is like 1.5 inch more. But I don't know.
What? Oh.
So
yeah, no,
I don't really know.
Right. I don't know. It's different for both of them.
Yeah, I don't really know the okay. I'm just gonna go by like because the part itself just says it. I'm not really sure exactly what the dimension means. It probably sounds super dumb, but yeah, it says 1.5 inch bore, so I'm gonna get a 1.5 inch bore part. Okay. This is so annoying. I don't know if you guys can see. Can you see this? The like, probably not. Okay, but basically, like, there's like a weird zoom tab that like pops up and like blocks me from like actually doing things.
I can't see that.
Yeah, you guys can see it, but like that's why I'm having trouble clicking tabs in the middle of my screen.
Oh, you can just click on the green thing and then just drag it over.
Oh, that's very nice. I don't know what it is. I'll put it down there. Okay, that's helpful. Thanks, Jonathan. Being professional. Okay, so yeah, we want this one, 1.5 inch bore. The only one. It's the correct one. I've checked. So scroll down, step file. So do that. But yeah, I do it too. I forgot I didn't download it. But yeah, download the part. Then there we go. And I'm gonna go ahead.
Jacob, if we get that one, that means we'll have to get a different size shoulder bolt, right? Because if the thread is 7/16 in the bottom, then scroll down to the drawing down there. No, yeah, just like scroll down.
There we go.
Yeah. Then the diameter of the hole is 7/16 that we would put the shoulder bolt through.
Yeah.
So wouldn't we have to get a different size shoulder bolt also?
Well, yeah, we will have to get a shoulder bolt for the 7/16. Yes.
I mean, yeah, but okay. I mean, we have to get a different sized one because when I put in there was a half.
Wait, what? Wait, what are you saying? I'm so confused.
In the CAD, there's already a shoulder bolt in there.
Oh no, yeah, we'll have to have different shoulder bolts.
Change it. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Just making sure.
Yeah. We get shoulder bolts from MasterCard, right? Yeah, I think so. Okay. So here's the process. File. Open. That is right. Yes. Suitable joint rod end. And then convert it. Very nice. That's exactly what we need. Save it. And like if you didn't already have the if you didn't already select the right folders and stuff, then you'd have to like go through to make sure you're saving in the right place. But I already know that because I saved this step file in the right folder, it will just open this automatically in the same folder. So yeah, but make sure all your files are in the same spot always. Okay, and then this part we also need. Oh, what? Why? I did not need to click the 80/20 piece. I want this one. We will need both, but I'm just going to make MasterCard ones at a time. Why is it? It makes you think it's not right, but we will see. Oh, it is right. That's such a weird name. Okay. Very good naming. There we go. And then I'm going to go ahead and attach this end of the pivot onto the piston. That's not facing the right way. There we go. Okay. And also from what we did earlier, Jonathan, when he constrained this piece against that, I changed the dimension because I also changed it in the sketch file. So we need the dimension from, oh, okay, it's a 15. Oh, it's gonna be kind of annoying. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and make the hole in the VersaFrame here. I'm gonna leave that using the 1/2 inch shoulder bolt size, and then I'm gonna constrain it to that hole relative to the other VersaFrame piece here. Oh, it's already there probably. I don't know if it's not. Oh, I also might change the dimension. Oh, shoot. So, okay, so now it's 12.5 inches plus 1.25 plus 0.75. So that's okay. That's 2 inches. Okay, that's 14.5 inches. And then I remember because I made the drawing like the part size so that the hole is centered. Actually, I should make a sketch. That's bad practice. But I made it so that the hole is centered about this hole right here. So it just makes manufacturing a lot easier. But yes, I measured it. That's, wait, doesn't make any sense. Hold on. That doesn't make sense. Wait, actually, I shouldn't measure it. Might be increased. This is a few days ago, so I might have messed stuff up. That's, wait, what did I mention? Oh, that's weird. But that's an inch away, and I think it's supposed to be, I made it 0.75. So, yeah. So I wanted the hole to be centered, and he needs 1.25 of there relative to that center. So, oh my gosh, so much thought. Okay, I think, okay, so I know, wait, excuse me, I know. So this pivot point to the end needs to be 1.25 plus 12.5. So that itself has to be 13.75. But very nice. It's not. Definitely not. Why? Oh. Okay. So yeah, that's 13.5, and we need 0.75 more. That's okay. I am confused right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually, okay, so yeah, the hole is already here. I can just look at this dimension. That to that. And oh gosh, this is not gonna be nice. Because, okay, so I need this hole. That's 12.25, and it needs to be 13.75, right? Yeah. So I need to extend it. Wait. Oh, that's actually 12.5. That makes sense. So that means, okay, yeah. So the hole is actually not aligned on there just because of how I made all the pivot points, but that should be okay. That just means I have to make this hole very different. But we probably have to mill that because that's like an annoying placement. So need to make a, I don't want to make it concentric. Okay. I'm going to just edit the sketch then. Yeah, 0.25. And then this needs to be an inch. That looks super dumb. Okay. I mean, that's fine, but not fine. Might need to change the sketch more. But okay. I'm gonna try to make it, see if I can just move it over to 12.25 long without messing up things in the sketch. Make this 12.25. That makes that a little bit shorter. It's down. Okay, that's fine. Then check. I feel like I'm so confused. But that 12 inches. Oh, because that is 12.25. Oh my gosh. I messed this up. I'm just like, okay. I feel like I'm being super confusing right now. But basically, if I put this hole here to this middle one, which is, oh gosh, which is the same point as the other one, that's 12.5. And then go back to the mechanism. Make this 12.5. That is fine. Everything fits. Go back to the assembly. Take a look. This hole lines up with that hole, which is exactly what I want. Okay, hole's in the right spot now. And then I just, oh my god. Let's undo these constraints. Oh, that's right. Okay, yeah. So right now it's,
I think, Jacob, all you have to do is just delete the bolts because the VersaFrame spinning is not dependent on.
I know, but
and then
after,
you could like see what's happening.
yeah, but after, I mean, I can delete the bolts, but I need to just reconstrain, because right now it's about like that line right there to this edge, and I need to change that to the correct dimensions, and I don't know which that is. Wait. Oh, I think it's this one then. So, okay, that's constrained. Wait, oh, okay, I understand. That's constrained to that face. And I think, so, okay. So in the sketch, it is, I think, only like half an inch down relative to the bottom of this piece because it's like 3/4 of the way in this 2-inch piece. Yeah, it's 1.5 inches up and it's half an inch from the top of the VersaFrame, which is the bottom of this piece. So that's the wrong thing. I need to change the dimension I was just on. This mate, oh my god. This to, wait, is that not? I think it's gonna make this. I'm gonna look from the side. Oh, it's about that bolt. It is, okay. Okay. I might have to reconstrain this because it's getting a little wacky. Oh, I see what's happening. Okay. I'm just gonna delete. Is this an assembly or is it just on?
It's just on there. You can just
Okay.
You can delete both of them.
I'm gonna actually, and there we go. Oh, this is okay. Oh, okay, it's okay. No, I'm gonna leave this constraint and that, and then, okay, this one's free, and then I think it's, okay. So I need to back of the sketch. And so I'm going to take, can you use the measure tool? Oh, you can. That's convenient. Okay. So the front edge of this versa frame. Oh, but oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. So basically, I remember because this has to be the pivot point of the back of the piston, and that means that with this part, because this is the back of the pivot point, it's going to have to be mounted like on the side. So basically, I'm thinking to mount this like against the wall of the versa frame, like horizontally, so that it's like on its side, and that means that this dimension right here, this 1.38, is actually the distance from this pivot point to the actual face of the versa frame, which might be kind of hard to picture, but yeah, it just means that I have to make it 1.375 or 1.38 farther away. So then it actually says in the sketch. So if we use the measure tool from this edge to there, 11.5 plus 1.38, which I can just do in CAD. So that hole to this face needs to be 11.5 plus 1.38. Okay. And then you need to constrain this from the bottom. Oh no. From the bottom by 1/2 inch. And that should be fine. I mean, everything's kind of because of constraints, but once I fix this other piece, it should be good. So this to this.
Hey, Jacob, one thing.
Yes.
It'd be a lot easier if you just constrained the second piece to the first piece. So then we have to edit one set of constraints later on. Because we're definitely gonna have to edit this, you know.
Yeah. Okay. So this is what I was talking about. Instead of like doing those weird constraints that I was doing again on this piece, I could just like make these pieces like flush together basically. So that like if I do, I guess that these two moving together, actually there might already be a, okay, it's not, okay. And then if I make the bottoms flush, then should be fine. Yeah, very nice. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and copy this whole assembly for here. Okay, that's the same thing. Very cool. And then, oh yeah, this 1/2 inch piece also has to be slightly longer. So like, so I was trying to think because the problem that I'm having, Jonathan, is that I didn't see with this piece that it's like obviously wider than 1 inch, so it can't just be like placed on a singular piece of 1x1 or mounted that way. Oh wait, never mind. I just realized I'm not using this piece. I am so dumb. I'm so sorry. Okay, I remember my thought process the other day. Okay, so actually, I'm not using this piece, and I found like big strong brackets on 80/20, and so I think yeah. So this is the bracket that. Wait. Oh my god, I need to remember. Okay, no. This is the bracket that I'm going to use to have that. Oh my god, to mount. Yeah, to mount this piece onto this actual intake mechanism, and then I was going to use this one because that's like way easier than that like crazy thing onto the 1x1, and it does fit. We might have to round off the edges a bit, but if you look at the sketch, that like when you change this, like this line, like the angle is not like really moving a lot. So I shouldn't need to shave down this piece, but yeah. And also the idea is that, to download this piece, you need an account from 8020, which kind of makes this difficult. But like if you're watching this, so to get parts in 8020, you have to make an account to download this part. Later on, we might sort of open this CAD up like on the internet so that you guys can download it separately and just get the files that way. But if you're just trying to watch along and do what I'm doing, you would have to go through 8020 to make an account to actually get these CAD files.
But the one thing about 8020 accounts is that you're not actually making an 8020 account. You have to make a part solution account, which is like a whole different thing.
Mm-hmm.
So like that was the pain. That was why in the build. That's why it's like a really annoying thing because you have to go to this random website and make an account.
Yeah.
Download random files from this other website.
Okay.
That's sketchy.
Generate CAD. Very nice. But yeah, so I can do this, but like if you were to try to like go through the same steps that I'm doing, it would like pull up this thing, be like, oh, you don't have an account, you have to make an account, blah blah blah. Oh, that's so weird. I sent in a zip folder. Whatever. So I have to like, I feel like I have to unzip it to like actually make this okay. Oh, because it has a terms of use stuff. I don't care. No offense. 8020, but I don't have time for that. Okay. Yeah. Basically what I did is I just like copied the file, took it out of the folder, and then it's not letting me like rename it. What? Okay. Okay. Bottom pivot mount piston. I'll delete that later. I'll clean up the folder later, but for CAD purposes, I will do this first. And so, okay, so yeah. So something nice about 8020, like most websites, they have the details and all the dimensions. Okay, they actually don't have the dimension that I need. I mean, I know the holes are spaced out by 1/2 inch, which gives a dimension for, but because it doesn't officially say, I'm just gonna go to the CAD file, get it that way. No, move. Okay. So basically what this is telling me is that, so the VersaFrame will go along this, just like almost all the brackets that we use. Oh, I also, why is it in millimeters? That is so dumb. Oh my God. Okay.
Hey, Jacob, you can just change it.
That's what I thought. I mean, I don't remember. Oh, yeah.
You already know that, yeah, document settings, yeah.
Oh, I missed the wrong one. Document settings. But it just like makes me mad. Like, why they haven't, because like even the like the website had the dimensions in inches, but no, they have to do wackiness. That's an interesting. Okay, but yes, why 1/2 inch? So that makes math easier. It's just like an added 1/2 inch from. Oh yeah. Okay. Now I remember that why this is actually harder than it is. So when we have, so let me go to the piston. So the thing is with this piston is that the dimension of like 10.5 to 11.5 is at like, it's from this edge, like flat edge right here, all the way to like that very flat edge at the very end of it. And so this one's easy because it just kind of like screws on to the pivot point. But for this one, it has to pivot about this hole right here. And so basically what that means is that like it's actually slightly less than that 1/2 inch. And okay, so 0.38 minus 1/2 inch is actually the dimension that needs to add. So, oh my gosh, I'm just gonna calculate it. Okay, 0.12. So really we need that, the 11.5 that I measured here, we measured again just to be sure, but yeah. So 11.5 plus 0.12 is actually what we need. Sorry about the bracket changing weirdness, but yeah. Oh yeah, they're down here now. There we go. Now it should be perfect. And then actually oh, that is, okay. Okay, Jonathan, so like in this situation, I would need to have like this first frame piece turn the other way, like so that the holes are on this side. Should I do that or just kind of like leave it how it is?
Oh yeah, because if you delete it,
Like
then,
if I like, yeah, I have to like fix all the
that'd be a
constraints and
huge
stuff.
pain. Well, and in real life, I'm pretty sure you have it in that orientation because remember we have to have the little L brackets right there, and putting L brackets on without pre-drilled holes, like those really specific ones, it's like a massive pain. So like we can drill all of the holes for the other brackets on the sides, you know, with like a drill press, but
yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
I mean, you can just keep it like that for CAD's sake. We can switch it if we need to, if we're actually going to use this.
Okay. Okay. So now I need to figure out how much I need to extend it because this point needs to be at 1/2 inch, meaning the piece itself has to be added by 2.5 inches, so 7.5 inches. Oh my gosh, I spent like so much time just like having to fix things. Okay. Guess we may not be done today. But
I mean, you're pretty close to being finished. I bet you can finish this in like 20 minutes, definitely.
Oh, okay, that's fine. Yeah. Okay. So just gonna save that for reasons, and then I did download the file. No, that is the wrong thing. No. Okay. Assemble. Place it in. Speedy time. Not totally.
If you mouse, it might go a little faster.
Yeah.
You know, you're gonna have to get one eventually.
No, I don't.
like when you get a job, you know.
Oh well.
For CADing.
Yeah.
Might get a 3D mouse.
Also, it wouldn't matter for the pre-drilled holes because these holes are like not aligned anyway, which I will show in a second.
Oh yeah, because the VersaFrame is flipped upside down, right?
Yeah, and we probably want it to be this way, otherwise that would mess up like the mounting at the bottom. So. Yeah, I'm just constraining all these pieces onto this VersaFrame if that wasn't obvious, but yeah. But yeah, because this does get pretty close, we might have to file that down in actual assembly. Also, because of how we constrained everything, it may not actually like let us kind of like, but well, it will, but it may not be exactly like the sketch, I guess, because of reasons. But yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, also, I think, yeah, it was made with an offset, but because of happening together, that offset's no longer there. So I need to do that. Is that the right constraint? I don't. That seems weird though. No, that doesn't make any sense. Flush needs. Oh, symmetry. Oh, there we go. I need to make that the same. This one. And why does that still not work? You know, maybe I deleted the wrong constraint because I don't know where the constraint actually it'll be on this piece, and that's easy to look at or not. Should we be like one of the first ones? 15 inches, that's not right. Yeah, okay, this. It could be because of the plane, but I will see. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh, I see. So.
Wait, Jacob,
I
no,
can't do that.
don't delete that one.
Why?
Control Z. That
Why?
has to be the distance because that's the robot distance. Witchcraft. That's the robot distance. You know, like on
Oh, well, I
actual
mean,
robot, that's
okay,
perfect.
like, I know what you're saying, but like, the, isn't like this between like for these pieces though? And not because like,
Well, yeah, now those change.
but like, okay, because basically I'm saying is like on our actual robot, the like entire intake, like width and everything itself would have to like change a lot to like make this intake work like the way it would. So like, but like the distance itself would like have to change anyway, is what I'm saying. Because
Yeah.
like, I mean, well,
Well,
we could.
it can only be made smaller than 15.
Hmm?
It can only be made smaller than 15. 15 is the max intake width.
Yeah. Yeah. But yes, the idea would be to make it smaller. Like it would be like that. Wait, that's
Okay.
but
Yes.
yeah, I guess it's Jonathan. Sketchy stuff. Jonathan doesn't like what I'm doing right now.
More milling.
Oh, wait. Why? Okay. Why is it like, this is not like constraint then? I don't.
Wait, which constraint are you trying to delete now?
Because like this needs, because like this versa frame needs to be like aligned with this one. But like I don't know which like what's constraining it.
Oh, you just hit it. Go back. You just were on it.
This,
Yeah, that one.
Very nice. Okay.
And it's,
And I'm just making these flush. No. And then I need the other piece that I was talking about, which is this one. And the reason it's so high, like it looks different, is because with this bracket, there isn't enough space to make a hole there and like have this fit in because the width of this is too much. So like the only way it would actually fit, we'd have to like drill a weird hole for it in the Versa frame, and that's like not good. So yeah, that's why I'm using like a different bracket. Okay, files. All right. feel like I should be like saying something, but I don't like know what I would say. Like I should be explaining something, but like
Let's put some music in there.
yeah.
Like some rock music to go with your CAD uploading.
Yeah. It's not like I don't know. There we go. And this room would go right here. And that, I was thinking in my mind the hole would go here. We might have to cut some of it off. Actually, we shouldn't have to because the like this doesn't interfere at all with the bracket. I mean, I'll show you when I put it in the CAD. Yeah, the sketch. So the middle of it has to be 5.5 inches away from this pivot point. Oh gosh, okay. I don't like this. Okay. This math is not fun. We have to like make our own holes for this. But yeah. So I'm gonna do it from this end because that's like the kind of correct dimensions. So 5.5 minus 1.5, that's 6 inches. I mean, that is just not math. 7 inches from this line to this edge here, plus, so that's 8.25. So the middle of it, oh my gosh, okay. So that means the middle of this piece has to be 8.25 inches away. And I guess look at that, yeah. And so in the drawing, it is, the B dimension is 2 inches. Okay, so that's just minus 2 inches from 8.25. And so it has to be 6.25 inches away on the edge from this edge. So I will show you what I mean. And so basically what I was defining is this face to this one, but as a flush, and then offset of 6.25. Also, John, should I bother like, should I make the holes in the brackets too? So that's like, actually I will have to for this one, but like for this one, should I drill out the hole to be bigger in CAD?
I mean, no. Kind of no. I mean, we're the ones that are going to be building this, so
Yeah.
I kind of understand what it's doing.
Oh, that's weird. Oh, that's messed up. I have to fix that. Oh, and that wheel is also, why?
Oh, because yeah,
Oh, it's like,
like
it's not center anymore. Oh, because everything is like, oh gosh. It like changes everything. It's just because of how it was constrained before, but yeah.
Dang, playing on my constraints.
feel like that shouldn't have fixed it alone. It should like, okay. Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh, because that dimension has changed. No.
It wasn't my constraint. You deleted it.
No. I know. But like, I mean, this just depends on like what.
Yeah.
I mean, this can change like as much as we want, really. This can be wherever. I guess for now,
Should make it 15.
If 15 fits, then I'll do it. It might have to be like 14 or something. But
yeah. There we
doing
go.
wheels.
Why are the wheels still crazy? Oh, because the other offset.
Mm-hmm.
Wait.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, why is it okay? I'm like kind of confused right now. I'm like,
What?
wait, is it standard or not? Okay, I think it is.
It's
Yeah, it is. Okay, just cause like other things. Okay.
All those crazy motors have just been sitting there.
Mm-hmm. There we go. Wait. Finish that one. Then I need to open this, make a 7/16 hole. 7/16. What? Okay, what is wrong about that? Why is it? Oh my God. Freaking. That is so lame. There we go. Oh, wait, that's actually, okay, wait. Oh, that's not working, never mind. Oh, I should have, doesn't matter, it's too late now. Yeah, so like when you're making a whole like constraint, if you're not like trying to constrain it to like a circle or something, you should be able to just add the dimensions like while you're making the circle. But because I forgot to do that, I have to do this. There we go. Yay. And then, oh my God. Wow. Look at that. It's like almost together.
So cool.
And that is weird. I'm there we go. That's what I want. Mid plane with 2 planes. There we go. Jonathan appreciates my plane use.
Definitely.
And then I don't know if there's already a plane. I think I'm gonna assume not. Oh, yeah. Forgot I said I was gonna like do the whole like thing where I like said I'm gonna do, but basically I'm trying to constrain it because obviously this piston is like, yeah. So I'm making a plane with these two faces. And if I constrain the 2 planes, then it's, oh gosh. I think I need to switch to Flash. Yeah, beautifully. Yeah, there we go. Also, like, usually if a part like doesn't immediately move when you're constraining things, then that probably means that it's like an impossible constraint, and Autodesk is very confused. So
We have this sunglasses box unchecked. Right below offset. Yeah. Then it doesn't show.
Or that, yeah. Sunglasses box.
It's an official term.
Mm-hmm. So, very slow, but Autodesk can do it.
Cool.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Very nice.
I just realized probably didn't need to delete those bolts. I don't know why we did that. Those ones.
These?
Yeah.
What about them? I mean, I can't put them in there if you want.
Put them in, you know?
Yeah.
All right. So do you want to just like grind until 3 o'clock, or do you want to finish on Monday?
I mean, I can keep CADing. I don't mind. But obviously, this can change depending on which side we're mounting it and the vertebrum and that stuff. But yeah, for now, I'm just gonna put it in this way. And then, oh yeah, it is clipping a little bit. So you would have to like shave that down ever so slightly.
Bolt cutters.
Yeah, but yeah. I mean, I guess I can make the hole on these too. Save that. Then gotta go to master car. Wait, actually, I need to figure out how long it has to be. Nice, 1.76 at least.
Wait, Jacob, you don't have to put bolts in right there.
What? What do you mean?
Wait, are you putting bolts in? Like,
yeah, to pivot on?
My bad. I'm crazy. Keep going.
Okay.
I thought you were attaching the bracket to the VersaFrame with bolts, and I was like, that's a little.
Oh, no. Well, you could if you were just like trying to get big, yeah. But I should just look up. I'm looking right now. There you go. That is the name. I was like. The shoulder length has to be that. Which one do we use?
1818.
This one?
Mm-hmm. No, wait.
No?
I scroll down. I'm pretty sure there's one that's not seam size thread.
This is like regular.
Yeah, there you go. It's 1818.
This one?
More. Yeah.
Okay. Stainless steel, fancy.
18.8, not 1818.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, this just depends on like the bolt that we use, but like, I don't think it matters. Well, oh wait, what? Why is it? Oh, I'm just dumb. Because I need the shoulder diameter to be a certain length. I actually should uncheck that. The shoulder diameter matters a lot more. And this needs to be a 7/16, like not a thing.
You gotta scroll down a lot. Yeah. Oh, what? Where is it?
I don't know. Is it just like not exist?
You don't have any other like things selected, right?
No, I don't think.
That's so weird.
I mean, bushings.
Oh no.
I mean,
7/16. They got it. Somebody's got to have a 7/16 shoulder bolt, right? That's
probably. I mean, it's like, is it just, yeah, it's just under half an inch.
I'll try to find
3/8 is the closest one. There's definitely like a 7/16 to 3/8 bushing, You can look if you want for now, but like, I mean, hey, I would just say I think we should do bushings for these. The other ones don't need bushings, but I think this one does.
Found it.
Personally.
It's on Granger.
On what?
Granger.com. They sell it's like a.
Does it have a CAD download?
It's kind of like a MasterCard, but like, yeah.
Is there CAD?
Oh, let me see if they have CAD. Oh, dang. They don't.
That is rough.
Yeah, really rough.
We might have to just not have the bolts in.
I'm pretty sure that you can just put it in. I'm pretty sure you can just do do in CAD. You know, like the design accelerator.
Oh.
And then we can just buy it from Granger.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I do not. Nice. I remember you showed me. Where is it?
Left. Keep going. Yeah, left. Right next to assembly. There you go. Bolted connection.
This one requires an update for measures on enability can be okay. Oh, I see. Okay. That was like.
And you have to do placement by hole. Placement instead of linear, change it to by hole.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So start plan is this. And then exit. So, oh, wait, I know. Oh, my goodness. Termination. What I want to end, I don't know. Is that
yeah, click that face, yeah. And then
okay.
click to add a fastener. Right there.
Oh man. Content center.
It's kind of slow. Oh, do you have the content center downloaded? Because
I think so.
alright. No, it's not working. Try to do it again.
Oh,
there we go.
Okay.
So then you can like make it bigger from the single thing, but it's basically just like I don't know if they have shoulder bolts.
I think this is a clue. That's something that's different. I don't think they have it. I think close to that is this.
Yeah, do that. That's fine. Okay. And then you click the bottom, click to add a fastener right here. And then you can just do like a click the category button. Yeah, then do nuts. And you just do the first one because they don't have a lot of nuts, I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
And okay.
Yeah, I should apply. Oh. Executing bolted connection. Thanks. Very nice.
Fancy bolt. And it's shiny, which is
it's very fancy. Wait, that's not right. Oh, I have to do this. Okay. Very nice. That's just beautiful. Can I just like I should just be able to do this.
oh, like copy and paste it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Does that not work? Oh, I guess it just yeah.
There you go.
Okay.
Yeah. It's pretty cool.
Oh no, I want to insert it. Yeah. And oh, the nut didn't go with it. That's so sad. Okay.
Maybe we should just use the design.
Yeah, I want to use the design accelerator. I don't think it likes that.
Yeah. Stealing its bolts.
Yay! And so that close all of that. Dang, I don't need that. Oh, the motor dash, dang it. Okay, the motor mount. So I can probably just mount it here and then sprocket on both of these. Right. Would you agree, Jonathan?
Yeah. One
Okay.
thing that I saw in the video is that they mounted their motor inside their frame printer so that like when you get like hit, but since this intake would be out like all the time pretty much.
I mean, we could
That's it.
like mount it like
Yeah,
down
but yeah,
here,
like, they did it like right there.
like here.
I mean, yeah, sure.
Should I
Cause
mount it there? I mean, obviously
yeah,
you can just like change this whenever, but I guess sure. For now, I'll put it there.
yeah,
Okay.
and you probably don't need the CAD sprockets because you know that's a whole
Well,
other thing.
I was just gonna download. I was just gonna like download those, but
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's already in there though.
I did. We could do 2 motors, but no.
Right here.
I did. You know what? I like this one more.
Dang, that was my motor.
No. Yeah, so for these plates, they're kind of weird. So like you would think that you could be able to just constrain like this edge like onto the piece, but it's actually like offset slightly. So I think you kind of have to like just go by the holes, which we would have to make our own holes probably because this is like, well, no, we can do it this way. What? Why is that so?
Oh, you have something. You have a sick relationship up there. Not like, yeah, you know what I mean.
I know. Wait,
You know,
what are you saying?
like like this right here. How it says when you have something that says show sick, then you have to delete that constraint.
Wait, what is that constraint? I don't know what these constraints are. Kind of like just delete it like that. Oh, I can.
Well, no, like you gotta like go find the constraint like on the side.
Oh yeah, it's just it's this thing.
Oh, I know. It's because you changed the hole.
What do you mean?
Like you made it a 7/16 hole for that bracket.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Very nice. Now I should no longer be so sick. That's not okay. How nicely. Yeah, some of these I changed the material and some I just didn't. But which holes do we use on this? Is it these?
Yeah. It's that to the, go to the right one. Yeah, that one.
This one?
Here, I'll just wait, zoom out a little bit. It's this one.
Okay. And wow. Oh, it's facing the wrong way. It was like definitely facing the other way earlier. Okay.
Wait, why is it backwards though?
I don't know. I like just constrained it wrong, I think. I feel like I was facing it like the right way first.
I think that's the wrong holes. You gotta like go one set to the left.
Like
you have to constrain the other set of holes to the ones that I circled.
I'm so confused. I'm just gonna like
Oh wait, I'm gonna try
fix these.
something.
Cool. I mean, I know if I just what road controller screen. I'm just finding that.
Dang,
It's so
man.
sketchy. Here, I got you. Actually, no, it's the wrong
Gotta
one. Oh
show you
my
which hole
god.
it is. Yeah, it's that one.
I know. But I have to do this. And then wait, that's gosh dang it. I realized because okay. This hole will be on that one. And then this one will be on
Wait,
that
no,
one.
that's backwards. Is it? Well, because you would want the motor oriented, because balls are going to be coming through that channel. So would you want the chain sticking out right there or the motor sticking out right there?
Neither. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I guess it's like probably why we have it up here, but like, well, because
Yeah.
okay, so
On the video, they had the motor sticking out to the left, but
yeah, like the motor on this side.
yeah. And they also had like a ton of little roller bars going up and down it, but I think that's kind of unnecessary because the balls are tiny. I mean, yeah. I think they put the motor on the inside so that the chain wouldn't cut the balls because you can get a foul from that if you like destroy the yellow part on the outside.
So I should have left it how it was.
I think so.
Okay.
Control Z.
Is that right? No, it's not gonna change. Okay, yeah, there we go. Should I get the sprockets or what?
I mean, I guess it's 255, so you could just get the sprockets, put them on, and then that'll be the end of it.
Well, there are a lot of places to get sprockets. I'm just gonna get the ones from Vex Pro, but 22 options. We want half-inch. Oh no.
16.
What? Sure.
We usually use 16 for like intakes and outtakes and stuff like that.
You can also do belts.
You can also what?
Do belts, but yeah.
Oh no, please don't. That worked well for the winch, but for an intake, it'd be like sound like a vacuum cleaner.
Yeah, do you have chain on the winch now? But yeah.
Oh yeah. Well, I guess belts work well for low speed and not a lot of force on them. Kind of like lame chain.
Yeah. And this wheel will have to move, probably.
Yeah.
But I'll have to open it first.
There's only one constraint on it, so if you just, it's a 3-inch offset, so you can just change it to 2.
Yeah.
And it won't affect anything else, I don't think.
It would affect this wheel, but yeah.
Well, no, because that wheel is constrained to the midplane, I'm pretty sure.
No, I have no idea. We will see. Okay.
Oh, wait, why is it keyed?
I'll pick the wrong one.
Yeah, it's like a circle.
Oh, it's ID, not X. Gosh dang. Okay.
Wait, Jude, try something real quick. Try to click the drop down right there as step file and see if you can save it directly as an IPT file. So that'd be like, that would clean it. Oh,
yeah.
That'd be so cool.
Yeah. Wow. Amazing. Actually, I don't want to be straight into that. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, if I can change this 2 inches. It did move that one.
Yeah, you'd have to change the other one to 4 instead of
I mean, 2. That's fine.
No, if you just change this 3 to 4,
no,
I think.
I know it will, but we could leave it.
I mean, yeah, I don't know.
So many files. This one's just way better. Yay. I feel like it's in that wheel. I don't like it.
Yeah.
Okay. This is gonna, alright, I need to, there we go. Much better. And then I'll just make that like 0.25 maybe. Oh, that's not gonna work at all. Maybe this is like, I don't know. I feel like these holes should be mounted like these should be mounted here, you know?
Yeah, I think that's how it's supposed to be. So it connects all 4 holes.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, yeah.
These mates. Oh gosh. I can't see the hole. There we go. Okay, and then I'm just gonna make that flush with that. Right. That seems to work. We could move it out more just because that's kind of close.
Oh, yeah.
But like, I mean,
but would it actually touch that? Oh, yeah, it probably would.
I don't know. Sure.
That's a pretty long chain.
I will.
Probably like 0.5 or something like that.
Okay, that works. I'll also do back end just change like in real, but for now, I think that is good. That pretty much does what we want it to do. And if I want, I can even grab a bowl, but like, wow.
So cool.
I don't even think that's it, right? I guess that's it.
Yeah. All right. Now all I have to do is show this to Mr. Spencer.
Mr. Spencer.
Oh no. All right. Guess we're signing off. If you have any questions, well, if you're on our team, then if you have any questions, Slack us. If you have any questions, otherwise, I don't know.
You can comment on the YouTube video.
Oh yeah.
And we might be able to respond that way.
Yeah. But, or you can email us because we have a website.
Yeah.
All right. See y'all later.